Good evening for me and my used toilet. Gonna be replacing the spark plug in this forced air heater today. Kinda shuts off when it feels like it. I'm just gonna replace it. It's old. First thing, this is a 5/16 or an 8mm. They're just about the same size. You can use them interchangeably. Take that out. It's supposed to be one there. I lost it. And the cover just lifts off. Next I have another screw here and here. Might be wise to unplug the spark plug first. The purpose of taking out these two screws is so you can actually hang on to this nut right here holding the spark plug on with a wrench. So in my case I have an 18 and a 13/16. And I had this out the other day, so should be able to just take it out by hand. There we go. Now I had bought another one to replace this, but as you can see, the electrode in the end of the spark plug isn't near as long, so this one wasn't in the fuel stream when it sprays diesel out at the end of this, so this one didn't even work. So I'm going to go back, replace this again with one that's longer. So time to go to the parts store. The old spark plug is all round on the end of this thing. This one's much better. Normally being a square means you're stupid, but not this case. Thank you. I hired this man to hold the flashlight off the street, and he sucks at it.
Thank you.
Now I find the heater works best if you aim the electrode away from the way the fuel sprays, so it actually hits the spark. I'm going to reattach my spark plug. I got my two 5/16 bolts. As you can see, the electrode is away from the fuel spray, so that should have the best chance of functioning. See how this thing works. There it is. This heater's name is Rattling Riley. I think we broke it.
You did so well.
Ew. Alright, I put the cover back on this. It stopped working. A lot of the spark goes to this side of the electrode, so I'm going to spin this around 180 and see if that makes any difference. I don't know what else would be the problem because it's sparking. It's got air, fuel, and spark. Why doesn't it run? Alright, let's watch it blow up this time now that it's full of fuel. You can see all the diesel on the bottom of it burning. It's not igniting it real well.
Just keeps going.
Yeah. Yeah, the diesel's inside of it's still on fire.
You just
Kinda
get more
like-
oxygen.
Kind of like that.
It's still burning.
I wonder if I could bend that electrode out a little bit. I wonder if that would help it.
I don't know.
It's like an angry dragon.
It's smoking good.
Probably not as scared of this thing as I should be. It's unplugged.
It's kind of bending. Oh, that's quite a bit right there.
Perfect. Let's see if it sparks. I bet it will because there's no compression under it, but... Oh, it's a lot better. I had problems with it firing with the spark plug, spun 180 as well. So I took the electrode, the screwdriver, and bent it outwards. So now the spark is actually in the fuel stream. So we'll put the cover back on and we'll see if it fires back up. Rattling Riley Trial 2 actually turning on this time. Ah, weird. It works so much better now. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for me. It'll help a lot. Thanks.